Okay, today we're going to wire this camera. It's called a Rectilinear. First, you have to remove the bracket. Side, move the back cover to access the cable, and last, open the casing in two. Inside here, you will see that they have 3 strain relief. Any one will do, preferably the one going backward, as it will give you more cable and more space. Move the cap. Now you have an end on. This is basically just a plug. Grab the first piece, make a slight bend in the cable, and insert inside the holder. Give yourself lots of room. Now we will remove the rubber from inside the strain relief. It comes with a cut. If it doesn't, you can also cut it yourself. Insert the RJ45 inside the camera. As you will see, it's coming right through. First, make sure you go through the strain relief. Put the actual rubber back on. Insert inside the body. Put the actual rubber inside the strain relief. Push it inside till it's flush. Put the cap back on. And lock the cap back on. Go. Slide the camera sideways so you get a better view. Whoop. Then insert cable inside the camera body. If you don't have enough cable, just pull a little bit. There you go. That's done. Now replace the cover back on. Tighten it a little bit more, so make sure it's not going to let any moisture inside the camera. cable through the hole. Place the cover back on. Oh, where's my screwdriver? Camera body back together. Make sure it's tight. Put the cable through the body. Lock down the holder. The main bracket. And that's it.